Rex. Hi, Rexy. Hi, Rexy. I know. Our funny guy right there. And there's Caesar. And Roxy. Hi, Roxy. And there's Boxer Boy. And there's Chippo. And Biscuit. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. I know, you guys are so funny. You're so funny. There's Pixie. Roxy girl. Ty. Hi, Ty. Hi, Ty. And Lucy. Hi, Luce. And Ginger. There's Max. Hi, Maxie. Hi. Hi, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, thanks for the kiss. Thank you. Sheba, is that you? Look how pretty. You're a pretty baby, aren't you? There's Boxer and Amigo. Look at our two Dachshunds right there. You're so cute. I see your tail wagging. I see your tail wagging, Rexy. I see it. Tai-Tai. And Amigo and Oreo. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. There's Jack. Sheba. Come here, Sheba. Come here. How are you, sweetheart? Look at that cute face you got. Got a cute face, huh? And Ginger has a cute face. Yes, Ginger does too. There's Pixie Girl. My little Chippo. My little Chippo. Hi, Chippo. Hi, Chippo. And there's Milo, the puppy. Is that your friend? Milo's your friend too. Huh, you two play. And there's our little Remy. Sweet little Remy baby. Let's go down here. Come on. Boxer. And Ty. Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. And there's our Kirby. Hi, Curbs. Come on, Kirby. Come here, buddy. Let's say hi to you, buddy. Hi, Curb. Oh, yeah, you're a good boy. And there's Autumn. You've been in the pool, Autumn. I could see it. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chloe girl. Is that no, Chloe, and is that Dixie? Dixie?
Oh, yeah,
Dixie? Hi, girl. I see you. Dixie? You thought you could hide from me. You can't. Milo. Our Milo. That puppy face. That cute puppy face. And there's a Roxy girl. And Amigo. And Lucy. Big Luce. Come here. Hi, Luce. Hi, Luce. There's Chewy and Jack. Kirby. Curbs. There's Jake. Hi, Jake. Cujo. Hey, Cooch. Hi, Cujo. Come here, Cujo. You're so sweet, boy. Yeah, you're so sweet. Oh, hi, Jakey. And our Chippo. Our Chippo. Hi, buddy. Yeah, you're a good boy. And there's Biscuit Boy. And there's our little Chester. Chester. Hi, Aunt. You look just like Cujo, huh? You guys kind of look the same. Yes, you do. Let's go over here. There's our little Maggie May and Missy. Hi, Miss. Hi, Missy. Hi, Max. Hi, Maggie May. You little cute thing. There's Nugget. And Chloe again. Hi, Chloe. There's our little Crystal. Crystal, so cute. Oh, Crystal. We love a Crystal. Oh, we love our Crystal. Yes, we do. There's Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Buttercup. Hi, Charlie. There's Junior all laid out, huh, Junior? Oh, you gonna go upside down? Want me to scratch your tummy? Huh? You want me to scratch your tummy? Somebody? We love that boy. Huh, Junior? There's Loki and Kozar taking a rest, sharing a couch. There's Dave. Hi, Dave. Come on, Bailey. Let's come out here. Come on, let's go. Let's go out here. Come on, babies. There's Blaze. Hi, Blazy. Blaze, come here. Hi, Blaze. Hi, Nugget. Nugget. Hi, Maxie. Hi, Maxie boy. Yeah. There's Chloe going that way. There's Dave and Bailey. Bailey! Bailey! Come here, buddy. You like Dave. You're just following Dave everywhere, aren't you? You like Dave? Huh, buddy? Huh, babies? Hi, cute little Davey. Hi, Dave. Come here. Come out here. Come on, babe. Let's go. Hi, guys. You're sweet. You're sweet. Oh, Choco, I didn't get you. Hi, Choco. Come here, buddy. Come here, little handsome. My buddy. My buddy. Oh, my little Choco. All right, guys. Ooh, I almost tripped on that. What? What do you have to say, Caesar? What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Hi, Choco. Hi, Chester. And Roxy. All right, guys. We'll see you next time, okay? We'll see you next time. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.